Hi, in this tutorial we will see how to configure remote monitoring of iSeries OS using Patrol for iSeries. To begin the configuration, select iSeries as the monitoring solution, select the latest version, select iSeries remote monitoring as the monitor profile and iSeries as the monitor type. Click Add to configure a remote host. In the host names field, you can enter the host in any of the listed formats. The first format is a simple host name. It can either be a fully qualified domain name or just a host name. The second acceptable format is a host IP address. We can also enter a host name or an IP address with a published host name. This published host name is used to create the device of the host in the TrueSight console. Here, Mercury and Mars devices will be created for server 1 and the IP address respectively. If we want to apply the same configuration for multiple hosts, we can also enter comma-separated entries of hosts or IP addresses that share the same credentials. If you have a large number of hosts, you can configure them from a file. We can enter the absolute path to the file that includes comma-separated list of hosts in the acceptable formats that we just discussed. This is my sample file that contains the host details. For this demo, I'll use a simple host name for the configuration. Enter the username to connect to the remote host. Enter the password. Re-enter the password for confirmation. Select this option to enable secure connection to the iSeries host over SSL. Now, select the monitoring option as per your requirement. The standard monitoring option enables monitoring of the system, pool, user, and batch monitor types only. The advanced monitoring option allows you to configure monitor types of your choice. Here, you can configure system, user, pool, batch, ASP, network interface, active jobs, message queue, history log, output queue, scheduled jobs, subsystem, objects, job queue, and network connection for monitoring. You need to explicitly select or deselect the monitor types in the advanced configuration section to enable or disable the respective monitor type configuration. For this demo, I'll select system and subsystem monitor types. As you can see, we do not require any additional configuration for the system monitor type. Now, I'll select the subsystem monitor type and enter the subsystem names that I want to monitor. I'll monitor the QBatch subsystem. In library, if we keep the default value, the KM searches for QBatch subsystem in all the libraries. I'll enter the library name. We'll monitor the QBatch subsystem from the QGPL library and exclude all other libraries. Click OK to save the configuration. We can now see the instance in the TrueSight console. This is how you can configure remote monitoring of iSeries OS using Patrol for iSeries. Thank you for watching this video.